Welcome to our channel. If you're a veteran wanting to access your education benefits through the GI Bill quickly, follow these step-by-step instructions to start using your earned benefits. Step 1. Visit the official VA website at VA.gov and navigate to the Education Benefits section to understand which GI Bill program you're eligible for, such as Post 9/11 GI Bill or Montgomery GI Bill. Step 2. Create a VA.gov account or log in if you already have one. You'll need to verify your identity using ID.me or another approved verification method. Step 3. Apply for education benefits online using VA Form 22-1990. Click on Apply for Education Benefits and complete the application with your service history and educational goals. Step 4. Provide information about your intended school or training program. Make sure the institution is VA approved to accept GI Bill benefits. Step 5. Submit your application electronically. The VA typically processes applications within 30 days, but applying early ensures benefits are ready when classes start. Step 6. Receive your certificate of eligibility via mail or through your VA.gov account once your application is approved. This confirms your benefit amount and duration. Step 7. Provide your certificate of eligibility to your school's certifying official, who will submit enrollment verification to the VA each term. Step 8. Monitor your benefit usage through your VA.gov account and ensure timely payment of tuition and housing allowance directly to you and your institution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.